Hello. Through this demonstration, I'm hoping that you'll have a better understanding of what causes the Earth's seasons and why different locations around the world have opposite seasons at the same time of year. So if you look right at this, we have a globe, an Earth kebab. Keep in mind a few things about the Earth. First of all, it does rotate, so it does spin on its axis, and this happens once roughly every 24 hours. That is this motion here. At the same time, the Earth also revolves around the sun, so it is going to go in both situations a counterclockwise direction. So the Earth is not only spinning, but it is also moving around the sun in an orbit. This orbit is not a perfect circle, but it is also not an exaggerated oval shape. In reality, it is very circular, but we have learned in class that the distance between the Earth and the sun does change slightly based on the time of year. However, we also learned that this distance doesn't determine the seasons. In reality, it is something much, much different than that. So what actually does cause the seasons? Well, what's important to know is that the Earth's axis, which I've been showing straight up and down this whole time, isn't actually straight up and down. In reality, it's actually tilted. And this tilt is about 23.5 degrees off of the typical plane in which the Earth orbits the sun. So we have a tilt, and this tilt pretty much always is shown to be pointing towards the North Star. In reality, we call it the North Star because essentially the Earth's axis does point that way. So the North Pole is always directly below the North Star, and that's why it has the name North Star. So you might be wondering, great, the Earth has a tilt, that's exciting, but why does that actually cause the seasons? I'm glad you asked. Here we go.